All right, Dylan, tell us what we're doing today.
So we're going to be breaking inside this school that got closed down a few years back because a kid mysteriously died here. And we're going to see if we can't get in contact with him and find out what really happened or not.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, one of my contacts left the door ajar for us, which
he did.
Yes, that's good.
I'm not giving him money, you know that, right?
Maybe.
All right, no one seems to be in here. The lights are on though. Maybe there's like maintenance here or something.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
I don't know if there's an alarm or something in here though.
This place is shut down.
Okay. All right, guys. We're gonna stop recording so we can set up our stuff. Okay, guys. So we're just walking in here now.
Yeah, it should be right in this room. You know, it's kind of strange having this place be the only place without any lights on.
Right.
Yeah. Well, right here should work.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so
All right.
go ahead and unpack your.
All right, guys, down your candles.
So,
All right. Let's do this thing.
You think this thing's gonna work?
Nope.
Have no clue. All right. Is there any spirits with us tonight? Guys.
Not me.
Not me.
Z. Come on, don't F with me, guys.
I swear.
Oh. No. Z.
I don't like this.
I don't want to do this no more. Oh.
I don't do.
No. Whoa.
I thought we were alone here.
No one's supposed to be here.
Here, I'll stay here. You two go check out, okay?
All right. This door was open, dude. I left this open.
Swear.
I swear. No, who's in there? No. Dude, there's a red light. There's a red light glow. There's a red light glow. What the frig? What the frig? No. Get out of here. Let's go. Dylan!
Bro.
Hey! Dylan!
Yo,
no. Why are the candles on?
What?
Ah!